Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming compatibility and gathering essentials. Do this now. Make sure your head unit advertises Android Auto, wired or wireless, and that your phone runs Android 8, 0 or newer. Once done, plug a certified USB cable into the phone and head unit, then unlock your phone so the system can pair. Grant location, Bluetooth, and notification permissions when prompted. These allow navigation, voice, and message features to work. If the phone asks to use Android Auto, tap Yes and proceed without delay. Once paired by Bluetooth, proceed to the connection stage. Bluetooth handles discovery while USB carries the projection. Make sure the phone's USB mode is set to file transfer or the head unit's Android Auto option, because charging-only mode won't work. If the head unit prompts for phone access or phone status, allow it. This lets calls and messages route through the system. Also check for firmware and app updates. Outdated software is the most common barrier. Finally, open the head unit's car or apps menu to select Android Auto as the active projection. You finish by testing core functions. Make a quick navigation route, play audio, and try a voice command so you confirm everything routes correctly. Then customize app shortcuts and display preferences in Android Auto settings to suit your driving needs. If something fails, don't panic. First, try a new certified USB cable and reboot both devices. If that doesn't help, clear the Android Auto app cache and check app permissions again. This fixes most persistent connection problems and gets you back on the road quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.